When your free trial period is active, you can confirm your paid subscription at any time by clicking the Activate Subscription button on your My Subscription page. Depending on your country of tax residence and whether you are subscribing as an individual or as a company. Option panel may display a short form before proceeding to checkout. This form collects the billing details we need to issue invoices that comply with applicable tax regulations. If this form appears, fill it in and click Continue to Checkout. If it does not appear, you will be taken directly to the next step. You will then be redirected to Stripe, the payment platform Option panel uses to process all subscriptions securely. There, you will be asked to enter your email address, choose a payment method, and provide your billing address. Stripe accepts cards, Apple Pay, Link, Amazon Pay, and Klarna, among others. Fill in all required fields and click Pay and subscribe to complete the process. Once your subscription is confirmed, you will return to your My Subscription page inside Option panel. There, you will find your subscription details, your billing information, and your payment history. If you ever need to update your billing details, click the Edit Billing Details button to open the Stripe Customer Portal. Your invoices are available for download directly from the Payment History section of this page. Finally, a note on taxes. Depending on the tax laws of your country of residence, your invoices may include applicable taxes such as VAT. This is determined entirely by the regulations of your jurisdiction.